first of all, I just want to say thank you for all of those that have subscribed. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we would love to have you. There's a little watermark in the right-hand bottom corner of the screen. And it says Our Green Acres. It looks like a little wood slice. And if you just hover over that and hit that, that is the subscribe button. That will be throughout the video. So please subscribe if you haven't already. So today, the project is going to be, and I'm not really going to teach you the technique of these because I think, you know, there's a lot of YouTubes already out there on how to do these. But I do video how I wrap the twine around the little cone shape foam. And these I purchased at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to show you in the video what it looks like before I wrapped it. But anyway, just get some cones from Dollar Tree. They also have them at Walmart, but at Walmart, they were $3 and something. So I just went with the dollar ones. And basically, I'm just going to show you in this video, it's going to be more staging and give you ideas of how to embellish these little trees once you get your twine on them and how you can make little cute stands for them. And so I've just kind of come up with little ideas just to make these little trees more unique. And the first thing I'll go over is salt and pepper shakers. I've got a little thrift store down the street from me, and the little lady is very fair on her prices. Like, you gather up what you want, and she doesn't really price it. She just basically just asks you what you can afford, and basically just takes donations. So just sweet, sweet lady. So I purchased some little, I found some really pretty salt and pepper shakers yesterday. They're kind of crystal looking, and she had them in green and the clear. So I got all 4 of those, but you can also buy this pack from Dollar Tree. So you can, you know, for $1, get some salt and pepper shakers. And then she also, the little thrift store lady, had these little, I thought these were so cute. She had 4 of these. So basically what you can do is just take the tops off your salt and pepper shakers. And with my screwdriver, I just got a little screwdriver and just very gently, I just kind of worked a little hole in the cone, on the bottom of the cone. And then you just put like the little salt and pepper shaker like that one. But is that not the cutest thing? So if you're not lucky enough to happen up on some little salt and pepper shakers that are this size, you can also go with little wooden spools, thread spools. These make really cute little stems for your trees. So these, and then also I've got one that's a little bit bigger. And I think I've got this at a thrift store a long time ago. So, but anyway, it's old. You can go with doorknobs. Doorknobs are great to make little bases for your trees. And this one right here is a little bit wobbly on the bottom. So if I did use it, I would probably touch a little bit of hot glue on it just to stick it down to whatever surface. And that way I could always pull it off if I needed to, so it's not wobbly. But anyway, you can stick your trees on doorknobs. I mean, these are really pretty. And then I'll show you when I stage it how you can tie like a little ribbon around it just to kind of embellish it more. So, and then embellishments for your trees, like the toppers. Here's some little ideas for the toppers that I thought of. Lamp finials. And I know I'm going to go down in the books one day as the lamp finial lady. I don't know why I'm obsessed with lamp finials, but I am. But anyway, this right here is not even a lamp finial. This is a curtain rod embellishment. It goes on the end of a curtain rod. But anyway, things like this, if they're the right size, this would work. This right here is a little bit too big for the trees that I have. But if you have a larger size cone, this right here I think would be really pretty. And this right here, I've already chalk painted it. A few years ago, I used it on another project. Anyway, I'd already chalk painted it and distressed it because I think it was like antique gold. But anyway, lamp finials. And in the video, I'm going to show you the ones that I use. This one right here is like another curtain rod thing that just screws on the end. But anyway, I chalk painted this one and kind of stressed it a little bit. But this one would look good on the khaki color. But see where I'm going with this? And then also, this is a lamp I'm currently using right now. But check this lamp finial out. See how cute that is. And let's see. This one right here, This one right here makes a pretty one. But see, the tree toppers for your trees, just think outside the box, but lamp finials. And then also, and this will be another thing I'll go down for, is the vintage jewelry. And I got a whole bag of this yesterday from the same lady that I bought the salt and pepper shakers from. And I'm going to show you that in another video of all the jewelry that I got. And I've got a project coming up that I want a video of something else I'm going to make out of vintage jewelry. So I just bought up a whole bunch yesterday of what she had just so I can use it. But see, like this little pin is actually kind of a star shape, but I think we hot glued that. That would be cute on the top. You can also take the vintage jewelry and embellish it on, on this. And then too, at Dollar Tree, they had these cute little fabric rosettes. So I picked up this color and this color, and then this kind of like, I guess that's a sage green. But anyway, I think these would be pretty embellished on the cones too. So anyway, and you can also make them. I've got a video of where I've made them, so you could make them and do these. So like I say, I'm going to decorate some and embellish them, and I'll show you that in the video. But this too, this pin right here, that would be pretty on it. And the next thing I'm going to show you, I'll show you this, and I took some candlesticks. Candlesticks you can find all the time at thrift stores and yard sales, and they're very inexpensive. So I'm going to show you in the video what these look like before, and then what they look like after right now, how I've distressed them. But I'll show you the technique that I use. And I got this size little candlestick. So just all sizes of things, and that way you have different dimensions and different sizes for your trees for when you display them. And let's see. Oh, the little brush trees. The little brush trees will be really cute. Just screw the bottom off, because all of them come with like a little base, and the little bases come right off. You can just unscrew those. These will also be cute. Do a little bit of hot glue and just stick this down your little salt and pepper shakers. But I think these would be cute. And then see, we can put the larger trees in the little wooden spools. So anyway, that's kind of where we're going with the video. And like I say, I'm going to stage all this for you. So this is going to be more of a staging video, just to give you ideas of how you can embellish these little $1 cones from Dollar Tree. So stay tuned for the video, and I hope y'all enjoy it, and I hope you get some inspiration from it. And thank you so much for coming on today.